So here is a simultaneous equation problem. Firstly, it's in words. So what's our first step? Okay, before we get the equations.
Make x a number.
Yeah, let x equal something, okay? So let x equal a number. But we're actually asked to find two numbers, eh? So let x equal a number and y equal
Another number.
okay. So it's not y equals a number, it's y equals the other number because there's a relationship between x and y, okay? Two numbers add to 33. So one number, x, plus y is 33. Yeah? Have a difference of 5. So our number minus the other is 5. Okay? We're happy with that?
Yes.
Now, two ways of solving simultaneous equations. We're looking at the substitution method to start with. So how do I do this? How do I solve these?
First, add y to one equation.
Yep.
X y plus y.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to label these equation A and equation B just to make it easier for us. Not sure why I'm not letting them do that. So equation B dash now is going to be y is 5 minus x, isn't it? Is that right?
No, sorry. So if we take yeah.
Yep, okay. And now you're going to...
Now in equation A, you can do x equals x minus y, x plus x minus y.
So x plus y. Yeah? And now I can simplify that equation and get 2x minus 5 is 33. So 2x is 38, so x is 19. Is that my answer? No.
Then you substitute 19 in equation B.
So 19 minus y is 15. Why don't I just substitute into b dash? So flag that and just go y is 19 minus 5, which is 14. There are my two numbers. So another example here, first is words. Words we've got to make into equations. So what's our first thing? We're trying to find a words to an equation.
So equal x.
Let x equal
To a number.
son's age. Y will equal the mother's age. Did everyone make sense of that?
Yes, sir.
You guys should be paying attention. That's Blake, Will. Okay, so if X is a son's age, Y is the mother's age, a woman is 4 times as old as her son. Does that form an equation?
Yes, sir.
How does it form an equation?
Y is equal to 4x.
Equals 30.
4x.
The son's age times by 4 is the mother's age, isn't it? Yeah? These equations, when you start to write them down, you can get backwards to start with because you want to say 4 times old is the son, so you want to write 4y equals x. But in actual fact, you times the son age by 4. That's why you write this let x equal y equal part. Okay? So y is 4x. Her son is 30 years younger than she is.
Y is equal to...
Wait. Stop. Son's age, same as mother's age. What do we have to do to the son's age to get the mother's age? We have to, add 30. Okay, we have to add 30 to that. Now what have we got? Two equations that we can solve simultaneously. Substitution method. This y, that y, they are the same as each other. X plus 30 therefore is the same as 4x. Now I can just go, well, take away x from both sides. Divide both sides by 3 and you're left with 10 equals x. Now is that my answer? No. Son's age is 10. Is that my answer? If son is 10, mum or mother is 40. There's my two answers. Does that make sense? Yeah? Looking at another example. Golf club. Members, non-members. Green fees 10, 20 for non-members. One day, 11 people on the course. Total $150 to play. What's my first step? Stop. What's my first step? Way on. So X is the number of non-members and Y is the number of members. Everyone happy with that?
Yes.
In these words, can you see totals? George, shush. We can see two totals hopefully. What are the two totals? 150. There's one total. And another total is 11. One day there are 11 people on the course. There's a total. How do you make up that 11? Nope. X plus Y, the number of non-members plus the number of members. How do you make out the 150? Add what together? Toby, pay attention. How do you make $150? Think about it. Each person, members pay $10, non-members pay $20.
10x plus 20x is equal to 150.
So 20x, yep, plus 10y is 150. $20 per the number of non-members plus $10 times the number of members is the 150 people, or $150. Now this is the part that some of you guys are struggling with regards to the non-context. Maybe it's a little bit easier here. So if y now is, can we write y a different way? Thanks very much for that. I really appreciate it. You'll be able to go back and listen to everyone laugh at your joke too. So y is 11 minus x. Can you ever understand why y is 11 minus x? The number of members is 11 minus the number of non-members. Now this here we can substitute into this. We can now write 20x plus 10 lots of 11 minus x is still equal to 150. How are we going to solve that? Expand the bracket. 20x plus 110 minus 10x is 150. How are we going to solve that?
Solve the x's first.
Combine the x's, numbers to one side, x's on the other side.
And divide it.
10x equals 40. Guys aren't paying attention. I'm not going to help you tomorrow if you're not paying attention here.
X is equal to 4.
10x equals 40, so we divide both sides by 10 and get an answer of x equals 4. What does x equal 4 represent, Toby? There are a number of non-members who played that round. So if there are 4 non-members who played that round, what does that mean?
7
Okay, and how'd you get 7? You went y is 11 minus the 4. Didn't you? That's what you did. You did it in your head because you knew what you were talking about, because you knew the context. So hopefully that context actually helps you understand what you're doing without the context stuff. What's my answer?
There were 4 non-members or 7.
So you have both of, I need both the non-members and the members to answer the particular question. That's why you need both X and Y to answer the particular question you've got in front of you. Any questions with that?